Dahil nagkalin na si Coke si Dara. Lang. Nagkalin na si Coke si Dara. Pinagatan niya. 500. Giyatagan niya ko 2K. Giyamalan niya ko. Giyamalan niya ko. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you again.
Jadi mana yang bisa
Apa tuh?
Hala? Ay, hala? Jen! Started na daw to pick up your t-shirt.
Sino gambal?
Ang page eh, mang. No. Alam din sa ko na sir, Pen? Hindi ko man. So, parang for
Ano?
So starting next week we'll be discussing different topics. So it's only 5 to 10 minutes. So we will be discussing different topics based on the professor. So the guidance topics we have personal or staff. So first, license application. So next we will be discussing topics related to my profession. So my topics will be related to mental health and emotional health. And then we also have Ma'am Rosemary Malao. So she is a registered social work. So she will be discussing the topics related to her profession, so which is family relationship and other topics that is related to her. And then we also have Father Alan Sanitay, the engagement teacher in Shala semester. So he will be discussing topics related to spiritual and morality. So starting next week, we will be magpasok na kami to discuss. And for information, ang mga office of office sa second floor, sa mga new locations ng guidance offices, dito sa new building, which is located sa second floor. So you can go there if you have problems, concern, or gusto nga naman visit ito para focus. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.
Mapapasok ka na back check, sir?
Oo, mapapasok na.
Wala na sang iban?
Di ba, pasok ito yung friends. Lakas na to. Lakas na friends.
May ganun pagpasok na po?
Hindi ka sa akin na?
Alam. Tagulan naman ako kayo.
Hindi ka na, Vincent.
Isog ka ba?
Bakal tubig, Prince.
Lugay mo, Bert?
Bakal ko tubig. Bilatibay nyo eh.
Latibay? Hindi ka makatulog lang ng tubig.
Pero kasi pa ko sa ibang subject. Wala lang.
Sir?
Makakadek ako sa ibang subject.
Sabi ko, kwarta, libre mo.
Padalan 10,000.
Wala ako wala ka
Tubig
Ang
talaga.
pwede ka mayaman mo na, Fern?
Yes.
Ikaw po, doon din na.
Pwede mo na magsusunod ang tali, ginagawa mo barkada. Hindi na, Fern, lang.
Ba, di mo dahil oras.
Naghihirap ka na ngayon. Bahay ka pa?
Hindi ako maghihirap. Talaga
Hindi mo sure ha, na you're, abon pa na abon ha.
Mambala pa na ako.
Yan sabi mo lang ngayon kasi abundan ka pa.
Latangan.
Time will come, you're going down, and I'm going to up. Mas din eh.
was in... Ang ano?
I cannot hear it. Nakaglan, hindi lang nakikikuwi na na. Kay Angel na lang kay Labas pa.